Hello, I'm Sofia. Welcome to today's English speaking practice. Let's practice simple English together. Listen carefully, repeat each sentence, and try to speak out loud. Don't worry about making mistakes. The more you practice, the easier English becomes. Good morning. Good morning, how are you? I'm good. Thank you. How about you? I'm fine. Thank you. I'm doing well. That's good to hear. How did you sleep last night? I slept very well. Did you sleep well? Yes, I did. What time did you wake up? I woke up at 7 o'clock. Do you usually wake up early? Yes, I usually wake up early. What do you do after you wake up? I wash my face and brush my teeth. Do you drink water in the morning? Yes, I drink a glass of water. Do you have breakfast? Yes, I have breakfast every morning. What do you usually have for breakfast? I usually have eggs and bread. What do you drink with breakfast? I usually drink coffee. Do you like coffee? Yes, I like coffee. Do you like tea? Yes, I like tea too. Which one do you prefer? I prefer coffee. Why do you like coffee? Because I like the taste. What do you do after breakfast? I get ready for the day. Do you work or study? I work. Where do you work? I work in an office. Do you like your job? Yes, I like my job. What time do you start work? I start work at 8 o'clock. What time do you finish? I usually finish at 5. How do you go to work? I usually take the bus. Do you walk to work? Sometimes I walk. How long does it take? It takes about 20 minutes. Do you like taking the bus? Yes, it's convenient. What do you do on the bus? I usually listen to music. Do you listen to English? Yes, I listen to English sometimes. Why do you listen to English? I want to improve my English. That's a good reason. Are you learning English now? Yes, I'm learning English. How often do you practice? I practice every day. How long do you practice? I practice for about 30 minutes. Do you practice speaking? Yes, I practice speaking. Do you practice listening too? Yes, I listen to English every day. Do you read English books? Sometimes I read simple English books. Do you watch English videos? Yes, I watch English videos. Do you understand everything? No, I don't understand everything. Is that a problem? No, it isn't. Why not? Because I'm still learning. That's right. Do you make mistakes when you speak English? Yes, sometimes I make mistakes. Are you afraid of making mistakes? No, I'm not. That's important. Why? Because mistakes help us learn. I agree. Let's talk about you now. What's your name? My name is Sofia. What is your full name? My full name is Sofia. Where are you from? I'm from Azerbaijan. Where do you live? I live in Baku. Do you like your city? Yes, I really like my city. What do you like about it? I like the people and the places. Do you live alone? No, I live with my family. Who do you live with? I live with my mother. Do you have a big family? No, my family is small. Do you have any brothers? No, I don't. Do you have any sisters? Yes, I have one sister. Is she older or younger? She is younger than me. Do you see her every day? Yes, I see her every day. Do you like spending time with your family? Yes, I do. What do you usually do together? We usually eat dinner and talk. What do you talk about? We talk about our day. Do you have a best friend? Yes, I do. What is her name? Her name is Emma. How often do you talk to Emma? We talk almost every day. Do you meet her often? Yes, we meet when we have time. What do you do together? We usually walk and talk. Do you drink coffee together? Yes, sometimes we have coffee together. What do you talk about? We talk about work, family, and life. Do you enjoy talking with your friends? Yes, I do. Why? Because I feel happy when I'm with them. What makes you happy? My family and friends make me happy. What do you do when you feel tired? I usually sit down and relax. Do you listen to music? Yes, I listen to music when I relax. What kind of music do you like? I like calm music. Do you watch movies? Yes, I like watching movies. What kind of movies do you like? I like comedy and simple stories. Do you watch movies in English? Sometimes I do. Is it difficult? Sometimes it is difficult, but I try. Do you like reading? Yes, I like reading. What do you like to read? I like reading simple books. Do you read every day? No, I don't read every day. When do you usually read? I usually read in the evening. Do you like walking? Yes, I love walking. Where do you usually walk? I usually walk in the park. Do you walk alone? Sometimes I walk alone. Do you like being alone? Sometimes I do. What do you think about when you walk? I think about my day and my plans. Do you make plans for the next day? Yes, I usually make simple plans. What are your plans for today? I'm going to work and then I'm going home. What are you doing after work? I'm going to have dinner with my mother. Are you going anywhere tonight? No, I'm staying home. What are you going to do at home? I'm going to relax and watch a movie. What about tomorrow? Tomorrow I'm going to work again. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Yes, I want to spend time with my friends. Where do you want to go? Maybe we'll go to the park. That sounds nice. Yes, I think it will be fun. What do you usually do on the weekend? I usually relax and spend time with my family. Do you work on Saturday? Sometimes I do. What time do you wake up on Saturday? I usually wake up a little later. Do you like sleeping late? Yes, sometimes. What do you do after you wake up? I make breakfast and clean my room. Do you clean your room every day? No, I usually clean it on the weekend. Do you like cleaning? Not really, but I like a clean room. What do you do after cleaning? I usually take a shower and get dressed. What do you wear at home? I usually wear comfortable clothes. Do you like shopping for clothes? Yes, I do. How often do you buy clothes? I buy clothes when I need something new. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Do you wear blue often? Yes, I do. What is your favorite thing to wear? I like wearing simple clothes. Do you like wearing comfortable shoes? Yes, comfortable shoes are important. Where do you usually go when you have free time? I usually go to the park or stay at home. Do you like going outside? Yes, I do. Why do you like going outside? I like fresh air and sunshine. Do you like busy places? Sometimes, but I usually prefer quiet places. Do you like meeting new people? Yes, I do. Are you shy when you meet someone new? Sometimes I am a little shy. What do you say when you meet someone for the first time? I usually say, "Nice to meet you." What do you ask them? I ask their name and where they are from. Do you like talking to people? Yes, I enjoy talking to people. What do you talk about? We talk about everyday life. Do you ask many questions? Yes, I ask simple questions. Why do you ask questions? Because I want to know more about people. Do you listen when people talk? Yes, I try to listen carefully. Is listening important? Yes, listening is very important. Why? Because good communication needs good listening. Can you speak English with a new person? Yes, I can try. What do you say when you don't understand? I say, "Sorry, can you repeat that?" What if someone speaks too fast? I say, "Please speak slowly." What if you don't know a word? I ask, "What does that word mean?" What if you make a mistake? I correct it and continue speaking. Do you stop when you make a mistake? No, I keep speaking. That's a good habit. Thank you. Let's practice some useful expressions. Excuse me, Yes? Can I ask you a question? Of course. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. Where is the bus stop? It's over there. Is it far? No, it's very close. Thank you for your help. No problem. Have a nice day. You too. Let's practice another conversation. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thanks. What are you doing? I'm going home. Where do you live? I live near here. Do you live alone? No. I live with my family. Do you like living there? Yes, I do. How long have you lived there? I've lived there for several years. Do you like your neighborhood? Yes, it's quiet and comfortable. Are there many shops near your home? Yes, there are several shops. Is there a supermarket nearby? Yes, there is. How often do you go there? I usually go there once or twice a week. What do you usually buy? I buy food and things for the house. Do you like cooking? Yes, I do. What do you usually cook? I usually cook simple meals. What is your favorite food? I really like rice and chicken. Do you eat vegetables? Yes, I eat vegetables every day. Do you drink enough water? Yes, I try to drink enough water. Do you exercise? Yes, I try to exercise regularly. What kind of exercise do you do? I usually walk. How long do you walk? I usually walk for 30 minutes. Do you exercise in the morning or evening? Usually in the evening. Why? Because I have more free time then. What do you do before bed? I usually read or listen to music. Do you use your phone before bed? Sometimes I do. Do you think you use your phone too much? Maybe sometimes. What do you use your phone for? I use it to talk to friends and watch videos. Do you use your phone to learn English? Yes, I do. What do you watch? I watch English listening videos. Do you repeat the sentences? Yes, I listen and repeat. Does it help you? Yes, it helps me practice speaking. How often do you practice? I practice every day. Do you practice alone? Usually, yes. Do you want to speak English fluently? Yes, that is one of my goals. What is another goal? I want to become more confident. How can you become more confident? I can practice every day. What do you do when you feel nervous? I take a deep breath and stay calm. Do you think English can become easier? Yes, with regular practice. How long do you want to practice today? I want to practice for 20 minutes. That's a good plan. Yes, I want to improve little by little. Do you believe small steps are important? Yes, small steps can make a big difference. What is your advice for English learners? Don't be afraid to speak. What else? Listen every day and repeat what you hear. Should learners learn many words every day? No, it is better to learn useful words and use them. Should they speak even when they make mistakes? Yes, they should. Why? Because speaking is the best way to practice speaking. Do you agree? Yes, I completely agree. Are you ready to continue practicing? Yes, I am ready. Let's keep going. You are doing a great job. Now let's practice some more simple sentences together. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling good today. Are you happy today? Yes, I'm happy today. Are you tired? A little, but I'm okay. Are you busy? Yes, I'm a little busy. Do you have time to talk? Yes, I have some time. What are you doing right now? I'm practicing English. Why are you practicing English? Because I want to speak English better. Do you enjoy learning English? Yes, I enjoy learning English. What is difficult for you? Speaking is sometimes difficult for me. What is easy for you? Simple sentences are easy for me. Do you understand this sentence? Yes, I understand it. Can you say it again? Yes, I can say it again. Can you speak slowly? Yes, I can speak slowly. Can you speak a little faster? Yes, I can. Are you ready for another question? Yes, I'm ready. What did you do this morning? I had breakfast and went to work. What did you eat? I ate eggs and bread. What did you drink? I drank coffee. Who did you talk to? I talked to my friend. What did you talk about? We talked about our day. Did you have a good morning? Yes, I had a good morning. What are you going to do this evening? I'm going to have dinner and relax. Are you going to watch TV? Maybe I'll watch a movie. Are you going to read? Yes, I might read a book. What are you going to do tomorrow? I'm going to work. Are you going to practice English tomorrow? Yes, I'm going to practice English. What time will you practice? I'll practice in the evening. How long will you practice? I'll practice for 30 minutes. Do you want to improve your speaking? Yes, I really want to improve it. Do you want to speak English with confidence? Yes, I do. Do you think practice is important? Yes, practice is very important. What happens if you practice every day? I can become better. What happens if you make mistakes? I learn from my mistakes. Should you be afraid of mistakes? No, I shouldn't. Should you stop speaking when you make a mistake? No, I should continue speaking. That's right. Now let's review some useful expressions. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. See you later. See you soon. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. I'm sorry. That's okay. No problem. Can you help me? Of course. Can you repeat that? Sure. Please speak slowly. I understand. I don't understand. What does that mean? How do you say this in English? Can you help me with this? Yes, of course. Thank you very much. You're very welcome. Let's practice a short conversation one more time. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thank you. How about you? I'm fine. What are you doing today? I'm going to work. What time do you start? I start at 8 o'clock. When do you finish? I finish at 5. What are you doing after work? I'm going home. Are you going to relax? Yes, I am. What are you going to do tomorrow? I'm going to work and practice English. That sounds good. Thank you. You're welcome. Now it's your turn. Tell me about yourself. What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? What do you do? What time do you wake up? What do you usually eat for breakfast? What do you like to drink? What do you do after work? What do you do in your free time? Who is your best friend? What do you like to do together? What are your hobbies? What kind of music do you like? Do you like watching movies? Do you like reading? What is your favorite food? What do you usually do at the weekend? What are your plans for tomorrow? Why are you learning English? What is your English goal? Take your time and answer these questions out loud. You don't need perfect English. You only need to practice. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Repeat the sentences. Use the words you know. And don't be afraid of mistakes. Every sentence you speak is practice. Every mistake can teach you something. Every day is another chance to improve. If you practice a little every day, you can become more comfortable speaking English. So keep listening, keep repeating, keep speaking, and most importantly, don't give up. Thank you for practicing English with me today. I hope you enjoyed this English speaking practice. I'm Sofia, and I'm very happy that you practiced with me. Keep practicing every day. And remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep speaking. Take care of yourself. Have a wonderful day. See you in the next English speaking practice. Goodbye.